Hi guys, it's me Maria. I want to introduce you myself. So I have been a makeup artist for almost, I would probably say 17 plus years, and I've been all over, meaning that I have worked in department stores. I have freelance in every single probably makeup brands out there, and I've also worked in beauties, which is colors, skincare, and not to mention some hair. So I came from the Bay Area, which is San Francisco, and then I moved to Los Angeles. Real quick, I moved to Los Angeles about 2014. When I moved to Los Angeles 2014, I just actually got involved in some business where it is all the films and the movies and music videos and stuff like that. So a friend of mine connected and linked, so he got me involved with so many different projects. And then when I was there, it was really fast for me. It actually kind of like took me at least 2 to 3 months to get to where I want to go. I was really hustling, and I got introduced to, actually no, I didn't get introduced. I was on social media and I actually met one of my guy friend, which is the director, awesome director, which is Trey Haley. He met with me and we had dinner, and he actually gave me a position to work in his projects, which is the family business. Let's take the family business out. Actually, it was a movie that I actually worked with him, and working with him and all the people that's actually around us, which is the castings, directors and producers and stuff like that. We all connected and they treated me like their family. And so when they started growing as far as like, doing commercials, music videos, and all these movies that they're doing, I became their family. So that's just a little bit of my background. As far as like the BET, the family business, I was their assistant makeup artist. And then after that, I just kind of like let go, I took a break, moved somewhere else, and I was in North Carolina, still doing makeup, working here and there, always busy. And now I landed in Vegas, which is about 5 months ago when I moved here. And so I'm doing something different now. I'm still freelancing for skincare brand. I'm still with the makeup industry. I'm just not into the business where I'm doing so much as far as like, on the set and camera. So I'm doing my own thing right now as far as YouTube. And I felt like I have the potential to grow. So right now I really gotta focus on me and growing my YouTube. So that's all for now. Again, this is me, Maria, and I will see you guys soon.